right, Angie's joining us now here. Angie, what you got on the grill for us?
I have two really fun, tasty steak recipes. Perfect for summer grilling, especially in the rain. So it's a good day. So I kind of have two maybe non-traditional grill recipes, grill steaks. So I'm starting with a flank steak.
Okay.
So traditionally we make flank steak into fajitas, so marinate it and grill it. But today I made it in a Mediterranean recipe, and we're gonna put it on a pita. So I took it and I grilled it. Use your meat thermometer, bring it up to a nice medium rare 145 degrees, and I made kind of a basil parsley pesto and put that on it. And I actually put it on it like you can do 6 hours to 24 hours in advance. And there's a little jalapeno in here, extra virgin olive oil, a little salt and pepper and garlic. So I kind of put that on for flavor, and then I've got a whole wheat pita, and then we're just going to top the pitas with hummus, and I just got some store-bought hummus.
Yeah.
And then we'll do the flank steak, but then we're going to make a really fun cucumber salad. So I've got one seedless cucumber with the peel off of one lemon. So I grated that, and then tomatoes, some red onion, feta, of course, because it's a Greek salad, fresh oregano, and the juice from that one lemon.
Oh.
Okay, so you stir this up.
Yeah, sure.
And I will put the steak on. So we'll put some, oops.
Stirring is probably
Top
the
with
most
it.
I should do while cooking, so.
Oh, too funny. Okay, so we'll give that a spoonful on top of the pita.
Sure.
And then you can use some more of that seasoning that I used on the steak. I saved like half of it. And you can put a little more of the spicy green seasoning on top. And you've got an awesome Mediterranean beef flank steak pita. Yeah. So super fun, super fresh, garden vegetables when they're coming ripe. This will be a great recipe for that.
Doesn't it?
So this is, it's a glazed flat iron steak. So I got a flat iron here that I grilled. Flat iron actually is tender, so you don't need to marinate. It's the second most tender cut behind the tenderloin. But I put this kind of spicy glaze on it. So I started with prepared barbecue sauce, and then put in some crushed canned pineapple, and then a little ancho chili powder, some sweet onion, and a little garlic. And then I grilled pineapple alongside the flat iron too, because grilled pineapple is so good, especially with the steak. And then you can use that same rub or seasoning that you put on the steak, save some, and then drizzle that over the top. And then I got lettuce on here too, and then you can always serve with some pickled red onions. So a lot of different kind of flavors and ingredients, fun stuff to think about using a flat iron, a flank. Beeftips.com is our Wisconsin Beef Council website. I've got these recipes there, plus some other great grilling recipes with more economical steak cuts that you can marinate and still have a great grill out.
Awesome. Thanks, Angie. I can hear the thunder, Greg.